Welcome back. Once you have the photo, you're going to notice that you can download the photo here by clicking this arrow to download to your hard drive. What you will notice is that the format for that photo is typically going to be WEP instead of PNG or JPEG. In that case, one of the things that you can do, you can re-upload the photo to ChatGPT, or you can ask ChatGPT to output the photo in the format that you want. Now, in some cases, if you ask ChatGPT to output the photo in the format that you want, as with the recording of this video, it doesn't really always understand that command. So we're just going to try single shot prompting. We're going to ask for this photo to be output as a PNG file. You want to iterate with the chatbot to state what the photo actually is. We're then going to click enter, and we can then download the new file. And the photo, you'll notice then, is now output as a PNG file. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.